everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, welcome to our moving series. Your girl is moving out from her parents. Kyle and I, we are a little over a month from our wedding date and we are moving. We got our apartment and I'm so sad that I didn't do an empty apartment tour, but I'll give you guys like a rinky-dink apartment tour just because we just have everything everywhere. But we are currently at Lowe's because I have to return some stuff, but we are going to Ashley Furniture today to find a couch and maybe a dining table. But yeah, so today's episode we are going to buy furniture, go furniture shopping, and then we're gonna assemble some furniture because our bed came in yesterday and I've been waiting to assemble the bed just because I wanted to do moving content. So our apartment is literally in shambles. We just got delivered our washer and dryer finally because we've been here since last Saturday and our laundry is accumulating. Like, it's a hot mess in our apartment. But we are going to go to Ashley Furniture.
Couch shopping.
Okay, you guys, welcome to our apartment. As you guys can see back here, we have like just a bunch of boxes. So this is currently our living room back here, and then right in front of me, I'll show you guys, we have the kitchen. So we kind of have the kitchen set up for the most part. So this is our kitchen, and then that's gonna be our dining room area. Living room here, as you can see, the boxes, my office, yeah. Okay, so then we have Kyle's office here. We have the guest bathroom here, linen closet, then our bedroom is over there. But this is our bed that we have to build, that we just got it in. Hey guys, so we are in our very sad bedroom. We're about to build our bed. That's really the only thing that we have in here. Everything else we're waiting. As you can see, like, the bed's back here. So we're about to build our bed that we've been putting off. Any words? Okay, so yeah, we're gonna get to building.
Let's move the bed. We're gonna have to move the camera out the way. Or put the bed up on the wall or something.
Okay. You wanna tell them what you got?
Chipotle.
Yeah, Kyle has been on the Chipotle kick. And then he got me these super cute flowers the other day. Just thought I would show you guys. But I got a heating pad because you know it's that time of the month. And I got chilies, but they're called Big Mouth Bites. They're really good. So yeah. We're going to enjoy a little dinner and we will catch you guys up in a bit. We have finally finished the bed. As you guys can see, it's like a nice cream color. Obviously this bedspread is not going to stay on here because it just doesn't.
Okay. Okay.
It just clashes.
That was my bedspread.
Anyways, so we got the whole bed frame from Wayfair, and we just wanted something that's neutral. And then our comfy mattress is from sleepies. It's the memory foam bed, which is great and super comfy. So yeah, thanks to my favorite person, Kyle, for doing most of the work and letting me just snack while we build the bed. So